Okay, this game is brought to you by PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman siya dito po sa kata. Kung sino po gusto pong mag-join po ng team po, just visit the page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Ito po, liga naman sikat. Pinoy Stars Basketball here in Qatar. PSBQ Basketball League. First game between Max Sublimation versus Rising Knights. Max Sublimation in maroon and Rising Knight in white and blue combination. Buti po siya po lahat, Madam Z, ating first view right now. Madam Z ng Sandals ng Qatar Sublimation. Maganda ko, sumupag po na konti. Eto na. Si D-Mac. Little D-Mac. And pasok. Pasok ang bola. Yes, sir, pasok po ang bola. Now, si Romel may tayo ng bola ng Max Sublimation. Romel, dali yun. Dilang driving. Pops up. No. Same ball. Tatyukan. Same ball. Okay, 2-4 po ang score. 2-4 pa rin score po natin po yun. Si Akain. Akain 2. Antonio. Akain for 3. Nope. Nandon number 17. Si Demi driving. Nice play. Naku po, labumas. D-Mac naman. Si D-Mac. Little D-Mac. Hop. Nice one. Nope. Nope. And it's outside. Same ball po tayo, mga babae. Same ball. Happy birthday, Lemuel Arriba Arabas at JP Cristobal. Pa-shoutout po, boss, sabi ni Gerald. Boss Gerald, acknowledge po yan. Happy birthday, Mr. JP. Happy birthday, Mr. Arabas. And more birthdays to come. 2 points, De Leon, humakot para sa Max Sublimation. Ayan na. D-Mac for 3. D-Mac for 3 points. 4-7 ang score po natin at 7 minutes 31 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Demi pops up. Yes, sir. Nothing but net by Demi. Nothing but net. 6-7 ang score po natin at 7 minutes 18 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Akain. Chichirita. Again. D-Mac, nice one! Naku! Akain, naka-rebound! Nope! And it's a foul. Take 2. Okay, balasa muli tayo. Balasa, of course. Bokinko called for the foul. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Akain first shot, nope. And this feed is brought to you by, of course, AC Kitchen. Quality papagana sa iyong hapagkainan. AC Kitchen Chili Garlic Oil. Just visit every page to order. Just visit every page for details. AC Kitchen. Quality papagana sa iyong hapagkainan. Whoa! Lost the ball. Okay. 8-6-8 at 6 minutes 48 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Tuloy po tayo sa palaro po natin po. Ayan. Si number 9, Akain. 2, Antonio, number 5. Again, D-Mac. No. Naku, lipukin ko ang bola. Naku, nawala ang bola. Naku, Akain. 2 points, Akain. Put back. Akain Brothers. Bumabanat. Booking ko. Si Daisy. Give us si Liwag. Liwag shooting for 2. And this free throw is brought to you, of course, Mais Kitchen. Pero diba hanap nyo? Sa Mais lang yan. Sa Kasaputa. Tara na sa Mais Kitchen. Diyan lang po yan sa Mansour Station area in Doha. Mais Kitchen. Liwag, second throw. Pasok. The score is 8-10. 6 minutes 20 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Okay. Number 5, Chichirita. Number 5 again, Antonio, binibigyan may Chichirita, gumilo screen. No, ayun, nakuha siya yung bola. Ayun. pushing foul. Chichirita.
Foul number 6,
George Chichirita called for the foul, pushing foul. Tan for the inbound. Tan for the inbound to Demi, pops up, short stop, no, and naku, niliw ang bola. Liwag. Oh, foul again. Number 5, go for the foul. Back-to-back fouls committed by Rising Knights.
Let's go by Leo.
And this street is brought by, of course, Marlica Cargo. Ang iyong padala ay safe at sigurado. Abalong 2 branches po yan, 1 in Dubai and 1 in Doha. Marlica Cargo. Ang iyong padala ay safe at sigurado. Oh, get well, oh. Okay, sige. Ano yun? Bukiko! 2 points Bukiko. Okay, ngayon, lamang na yun ang max sa permission na isa. Approaching the 5-minute mark ng ating first quarter action. D-Mac, Little D-Mac, may tangan ng bola. D-Mac for 3. No, ayun siya kain. Akain, pinasa kay Kuya Kain, hindi nakuha. Okay, again, red ball pumuli tayo, maroon ball. Demi, Toromel, fadeaway shot, pasok ang bola. 13-10 ang score po natin, 13-10. Okay, Chichirita, pounded and it's a foul. Okay, sabi ng ref. Foul number 17 called by the referee. Okay, change play po tayo. 5-minute mark po kasi. Take note, take note. Take note, 5-minute mark po. Still, Barangay rules in effect. Second 5 na po tayo ngayon. Headed by Mendoza and Tuliao, Nichols Tuliao. And para naman sa Rising Knights, Bongolo and company po. Eto na. Rep, rep. Ikaw. 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 Bongolo. Bongolo, Bongolo, Bongolo. Bongolo.
Mga hikaw po. Pakitanggal po yung mga hikaw.
Sensya na po. Paalala po, mga bling-bling po natin dyan, mga hikaw pa. Bigyan na po sa akin para masangla ko na po. Para sikakaw na ng ating ekonomiya. Paalala po, mga bling-bling po dyan, mga hikaw, bawal po sa loob po yan, baka makasugot po kasi. The score right is 13-10, lamang po ang pack sa lumisyo po ng tatlo. Kasi ano muna.
Sige po, mapalitan na lang.
Palitan na mo. Okay, nagsab muna para no. Okay, Bayukot. To number 5, Antonio for 3. Nope. Ayun, sinipit. Nipit to Nichols. Nichols, may tayo ng bola. Si Mr. Nichols. Ayun, si Ramos. Naku, 2 points. Sana. Take 2 si Mr. Ramos sa linya. And this free throw is brought by MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Abel po yan po ng Ramos first throw, nope, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw by Ramos.
Seven Ramos, good pa rin. Bayukot. Bayukot against Mendoza. Bayukot nakalusot, Tuakain. Antonio, Bayukot. Number 16, nope. Nakuha ni Mendoza ang bola. Mendoza ang roll. Mendoza. Pinasa muna kay Mendoza muli. Mendoza, pops up. No. Okay, now sino to? Si Bayukot. Number 8, driving. Nakalusot. Wala. Mendoza, kick pass. Inipit for 3. Nope. Nagdalong isip. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Both teams scoreless already at 2 minutes. Antonio, touch last bite Antonio, and same ball po tayo. Ayun na. Okay, Ero Ramos is already watching also. Shoutout po siya, sir. And nako ni Pumida ang bola. Nako nakain. Nako ni Nichols. Nichols. And one play committed. And the +1 free throw. Nichols for shooting for the free throw. Handog po ng HB Kicks. From Jordan Celebron. HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Fajardo, na ako rebound. Nice board. Fajardo. Okay, palit na. Palit na, pwede na raw.
Okay, nasa po.
Fajardo, matubang mo. What a boards by Fajardo.
Payukot.
To Bayukot. Bayukot for 3. Nope. Ayun. Santonio. Bongolo. And number 16. 2 points. Number 16. That's... Hindi ko nabasa. Tuliao. Ramos si Tuliao. Tuliao for 3. Bang! Bang it! 6 points na po naman po ng Rising Knights, ng Max Level of Rising Knights. Bayukot. Nag-Euro sa Bayukot. Wala. Nichols ang usang bola. Nichols. Nako ah! Nako na bang goal? Nako, wala pa rin! And... And it's Maroon Ball. Mac Ball po type 1812. This is your best speak of basketball league. We're here live right now sa the Pearling Season Basketball in Doha. You're watching right now the first game for tonight between Masturbation and Rising Knight. Mendoza. Nichols. Nichols. Saan mo mabasa? Tinipid for 3. Nope. Ramos. Wala. Sayang. Hindi kumapit. Bayoko. Manggo. Mga Noel. Hindi nakuha ni Manoel. Sayang. Okay, Raymond. Di makulangan. Pa-shoutout po kay Tuliao. Si Mr. Nichols. Na bumira ng 3 kanina. Yan. Stats by Fajardo. Antonio. Fajardo, no! Nawala! Tuliao. Nichols. Mendoza. Kick pass to Pumita. To Ramos. To Mendoza. Pops up. No! Oh! Okay, sa foul, committed. Nipit called for the foul. The score right now still 18-12 at 1 minute 16 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Antonio pops up, nope, natin si Fajardo. Fajardo, nilabas mo ng bola. To Bongolo, power move, and almost got it. Took 2 for Bongolo. Bongolo shooting for 2, and this free is brought in by Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada. Quality uniforms for all kinds of shape, sports, and sizes. Ito po yan ang Qatar Sublimation. Bongolo first shot, pasok, it's good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Nope. 5-point lead po ng Max Sublimation. Tuliao, nipit. Pumita, Ramos, against Bongolo. Ramos, power move. Nope. Nakulipat ang bola. Bayukot, driving. Sa baba. Foul sa baba. Okay, foul ni Pumida. Foul number 11, Mr. Pumido. Inbound po tayo ng Rising Knights kay Mr. Bongolo.
32 seconds.
Bongolo, nagmamapasahan. Ayun. Number 16. No. Pinali ball. Pinali ball ni Bongolo. Palpal ni Ramos. One more time. Sa ilalim. Okay, nice D. Nice D na max sublimation. Tulyao. Mendoza. Pumida. No. Mendoza one more time. Mendoza 2 points. Baseball pass. Nako ni Bongolo. And no more.
And the first quarter.
First quarter action is ended. Standby po tayo second quarter. The score is 20-13. Laman po ng 7 ang max sublimation. The Marooners, laman po sila ng 7.
Initial score 13-20.
Yung carpal niya, boss, carpal bone, nahati, carpal bone. Nakarate. Carpal bone. Ayan. Okay, balik po tayo second quarter action. Starting this time, Akain Brothers and Didal Dimac with the Golden Boy Bulawan versus Damian Company. Ha? Ay, sorry. Balawan Parada. Balawan.
Low mic test.
Bulawan pa, Balawan? Bulawan, no?
Max sublimation.
Bulawan, no? Okay, sorry. Okay, Golden Boy Bulawan in the house. Jamie. Naku, sayang. Naku ang bola. Liwag. Naku ni Bulawan ang bola. Kick pass. Tulita Dimac. Naku ni Romel ang bola. Nice training grab ni Romel. Shoutout kay Referee Frank, sabi ni Jay. And pops up 2 points, Romel. Romel, parang mali ka kargo. Safe at sigurado parate. And Bulawan, nope. Nandun. Dimac, walang pinasahan. And Leon, 2 points Leon. 2 points Leon. Ayan, si Krisha Gray. Pops up for 3. Pasok. Okay, 20-16. 8 pa rin ang kalamangan ng max sublimation. From the height of 11, now down to 8 for max sublimation. Max for 3. Wala. Akain. Little Dimac. Dimac for 3. In line. Nope. Nakoli. Damian bola. Dami. Nakalusot. Dami driving. G-shock pass sa Bongkinko. Nope. To Romel again. Nakuha mo Romel. Turner ang pass. Tumara. Nice one by Krisha Gray. Nakuha ni Linag. Tutan. Bongkinko driving through. Bongkinko, no. And touchline. Stepping violation kay Bongkinko. This time now si Bulang for the inbound to Little Dimac. Krisha Gray, Pakain. No! Time for the rebound. Double team. And naku ni Bongkinko. 4-1 situation. Amy! 7 minutes remaining. 20-16. Ako wala pa rin kalamangan. Krisha Gray, and it's a foul. Foul number 25, Tan. Call for the foul. Krisha Gray pops up. 2 points. Instant points by Krisha Gray. Crisostomo Ibarra is watching already also. Gayana Bongbong is watching also. And to Romel. Romel driving. Romel. Wala. 2-on-1 situation. 2 points. Dimac 2 points. The score is 24-18. 24-20 rather. 4-point lead na po ang Max Salvation. Okay, 20-20 po lang kalamang po nila po ay 4 na po ng Max Salvation. Unti-unting na redeem po ng Rising Knights sa larong ito. We'll see po kung ano mga adjustment po ang kanilang gagawin po after this time out. The score rate is 20-20 at 7 minutes 90 seconds remaining for the second quarter action between Max Salvation and, of course, Rising Knights. Si Rita nasa committee stable. Booking ko nakalusot. Wala pa rin. Akain. Chris Gray. Chris Gray nagmamadali. Chris Gray pops up. Nope. Nakuha ni Kain. Nakuha ni Demi. Tap from behind. By Bulawan. Dito Dimac to Akain. 2 points. Akain. The bigger Akain making the move. Pasok. 6 minutes 30 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Bokinko. And it's a traveling violation. Masakit yun. Naku po. Okay, Bulawan. 2, Dimac. Akain for 3. Nope. De Leon, nagmamadali. Mag-isa na siya. De Leon driving. And white ball. White ball, white ball. White ball, white ball, white ball. Okay, to Little Dimac. Si Dimac pumitain ng bola. Dimac humipo ng screen. Whoa! It's a foul. Take 2. Foul number 21, Bokinko. Little Dimac for 2. Brought you by McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar pa tayo, love pa rin natin ito. McDonald's Qatar. Okay, shoutout Oliver Bacala. Shoutout po sa'yo, sir. Good evening po sa'yo, mga idol. Oliver, good evening po sa'yo, sir. Shoutout po. And second throw, pasok. Okay, tabla tayo. 24, tablado. 24 tablado po tayo. Now si Demi, nanginam ng balaw. Ito Liwag, nakalusot. Naku, nilabas. Naku, nilaguli. Good ball, Tan, Bokinko. Pasal, Yakain. Dimac, pasok. Okay, change playbook po tayo. Now this time, Rising Knights. May lamang na po ng dalawa. Bokinko. Is a foul by Chris Gray.
On number 7,
Chris Gray called for the foul. And this tweet is brought to you by Tiptoe Kicks from Shoes Never Goes Out of Style. Coach po ng Tiptoe Kicks. To order, just visit the FB page for details. Tiptoe Kicks. Bokinko. Second throw ni Bokinko.
Second throw,
Second throw is good. Change player po tayo. The score is 25-26. 1 point lead lang po ang ng Rising Knights. 1 point lead lang po.
26-25, 1 point lead.
26-25, 1 point lead for Rising Knights. This time around si Pajardo and company, and also Nichols and company naman. Shoutout po, sabi ni Homer. Rep Homer, shoutout din po siya, sir. It's traveling violation.
Meron dito.
Okay, let's go naman, sabi ni Dave Perido. Let's go. Shoutout naman kay Ref Frank at kay Ref Richard Curtis of Mr. Homer Balbin. Yung ating magiting na referee ng QFBR Pool of Referees. Okay, game.
Okay.
Max sublimation na naman. Okay, now Nichols. Nipit. Ramos. Double team. Ramos, naipit ng konti. Nipit. Tumida. Nichols. Tumida. For 3. No. Ramos for the rebound. Tugod pa rin, sayang. Para stone wala. Pardo, driving. Nice on Pardo. No! Nipit. Nakakuha ng rebound. Nichols Tuliao. Mendoza. Bang! 2 points Mendoza. Baseball pass. Ayun kay Chichirita. Wala. And touch last ni Nipit ang bola. Balik po sa puti ang bola. Okay. Lamang muli po ang max sublimation ng isa, 25-26 at 4 minutes 7 seconds remaining of the first quarter action. Okay. Payukot. Nice one by Tuliao. Nicely by Tuliao. Nicely by Tuliao. Same ball po rin po tayo. Fajardo for the inbound. 3 minutes 56 seconds remaining. Bongolo for 3. No! And short stab ang ginawa niya. Pasok ang bola. Short stab made by Bongolo. Okay, Nichols may tangan ng bola. Si Mr. Nichols. And Pumida for 3. No! Nice rebound by Bongolo. Bongolo for the rebound. Bongolo! 2 points Bongolo. Bongolo slicing the defense, ha? Parang kutsilyo. Grabe. Oh, tuloy daw yan, tuloy. Napindot lang. Bongoro parang kutsilyo. Humahati ng depensa. O, sige na. Tuliao. Case JD Caus is watching. Tuliao, kick pass kay Pumida. Dinaray po niyang bola, kick pass kay Mendoza pumitek. Nope. Nakuha ni Fajardo ang bola. Nakuha pa rin tayo, 3-on-1. Fajardo, 2 points. And timeout ng call again by max sublimation. This is your, of course, anong liga po tayo mga kabayan? Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams po want to join our league, just visit the page for details. Open pa rin po ang Class D minus division po namin. Interested parties, just visit the PSBQ page for details. Okay, score po natin po sir is 27-32. Laman po ang puti ng 5. Okay, Sir Oliver, ang score po is 27-32. Laman po ang Rising Knights po ng 5. Yung puti po. Lebron CJ is watching. Okay. Tuliao. Driving. Nando si Ramos, nando si Mendoza, nando si Nipit to Tuliao, pops up for 3. No, up! Holding foul. Tawag ni referee. It's a holding foul. Bongolo.
33, Bongolo.
Bongolo 33 called for the foul. First personal foul pa lang yan.
Second team foul, Rising Knights.
Rising Knights to Mendoza. Nipit. Mendoza to Nipit. Nipit. Nilabas muna.
And to shoot.
Mendoza driving in the foul again. Number 6.
Ichirita.
Chichinita called for the foul.
Second personal foul, third team foul, Rising Knights.
Rising Knights 13 foul. Second ni Chichirita. Nipit. Mendoza for 3.
Mendoza.
Bang!
Ayun na.
The score is 30-32 po. Ang kalamangan po ay dalaw na lang po na Rising Knights. Rising Knights to Bongolo pops up. No. Nakuha ni Bongolo pa rin ang bola. Bongolo handed. Bongolo muli. Getting space. Offensive foul. Nice D by Max Sublimation. Bongolo offensive foul. Getting space pero nasobran po. Tulyao. Mendoza pops up. No. Tulyao for 3. Wala. Nando si Nipit. Pagpalbagya. Si Ramos. Hoy! Parang nulok sila.
And to shoot.
10 to shoot. 10 to
10
shoot.
seconds to shoot.
Okay, Tulyao. Tulyao tingin 3. Tulyao driving. Nando si Bongolo. Bongolo. Ang payukot. Chichirita. Antonio for 3. Bang! Sige! Umuulan po ng Tesbo ngayon. Grabe. Sana tubig ito para medyo malamig. Pero hindi. Kasi ang umuulan. Mendoza. Again, 30-35. Nakabawi po muli ang Rising Knights. Ngipit. Mendoza. Kick pass. Pumila. Pops up na naman. Pasok ang bola. Oh! Si Daisy. Lost the ball.
Wala sa conditions na yung mga.
Again. Ito na. Chance now. To level the lead or something. Max Sublimation State trailing by 2 points. Nichols. Foul. It's a foul. Holding foul.
Ball number 30, Fajardo.
Fajardo called for the holding foul. Belt situation, Rising Knights. Take 2 si Tulyao. And this was brought in by JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Apparel po yan. And basketball drills. So visit FB page for details. JPX TV. Second throw ni Mr. Nichols Tulyao.
Second throw by Tulyao.
Pasok! Nice shot! 35 po, tablado po tayo. Tablado 35. Payukot. Antonio, pahadog. Malakas sa ilalim. Mendoza, nagmamadali. Mendoza. Pumila. No! Bongolo. Swipe away. One more time. No! Nakuha ni yung Chichirita. One more time, Chichirita. Pasok! Okay, that's it. End of the first half. Halftime po tayo. The score is 35-37. Laman pa rin po ang Rising Knights ng dalawa. Ito pa ating kapasite roll po natin po. Kaway-kaway po kayo. Hi po there. Yan po yung mga sa Rising Knights fans, ha? Rising Knight Nation. Dito naman sa Max Sublimation. Nagtambay po tayo ngayon sa second half. The score is 35-37. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. PSBQ isang Sakalam. Any teams want to join our league, just visit the FB page for PSBQ for details. And Silver Seal open pa rin po ang Class D Manos. Class D Manos Division po ng aming PSBQ. Please join now. Ito na, second half. Kalate. Kalawang kalate naman ang ating laro ngayon. Change court na po tayo yun. Okay, para George is watching. Shoutout. Kay Sushi Master AM Manuel. Ano ba yan? Sushi Master. Sushi Master, sino yan? Sino? Sino sabi? Sabi, ganun sa kanila kako. Ganun sa kanila, ganun sila kako. Ganun sila. Bulawan to Mara or dito Dimac. Sumikada ng stress, wala. Nandun si Nichols. Nichols sounded. Ayun! De Leon! Bokinko! Touch pass! Malakas ang konti! Oo, limping. Dimac, Bulawan to Grisha Gray nagagawa sa to Bulawan again Detail Dimac and touch pass by Detail Dimac. Tumama sa sa poste sa cushion. Tumama sa cushion. Nice, okay, bukin ko. Wala pa rin. Okay, Bulawan, the Golden Boy. Nice one by Little Dimac, aray. Romel for 3. Bang! Sidin! Iba talaga pag-ilaw ng kaluwento talaga. Okay, eto na naman. Change baby ng buli po tayo. This time around now. Box naman ang lumalamang na isa. Bulawan. Sino ko lang ito Bulawan. Bulawan na kulusot. And it's a foul by Demi.
Ball number 17, Vivian.
Demi called for the foul.
Second personal foul, first.
Grisha Gray for the inbound. Grisha Gray to Bulawan. Grisha Gray. Akain to Bulawan. Nawala ang bola. Butik na. Bulawan. Nakalusot. Dito Dimac. Nakawala. Floater niya. Wala. Nichols. De Leon. Nako ni Bulawan ang bola. Bulawan. Pero may foul. It's a foul called on Romel, the lefty. Bulawan shoot number 2, courtesy of course, Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. That's Winax Apparel. Sa Tagalog, huwag kayong lalabas ng bahay pag di suot yan. Winax Apparel yan. Pasok. Tabla na naman tayo sa 38. 38 tablados. Bulawan again for second free throw. Second throw, Bulawan. Wala. Nakuha ni Bulawan na bola. Bulawan. Wala kuha. Bulawan. Kakain. Little Dimac. And pass that by White. Backboard. Tablados po tayo. 38. 38 tablados po tayo. Nice na. 38 tablados. Demi na po. Nakuha ni Grisha Gray sana. Nichols. Booking ko. Ang lalim. Booking ko muli. Booking ko. Palpal. And touch last by Nichols. Nice D. Para may pakpak yun ah. Naka-Red Bull yata yung batang yan. And touch last by Bulawan. Red Bull. Naka-Red Bull yata si Bulawan. Grabe. Keep them games. Booking ko. Driving. Booking ko. Pops up. No. Nando si Chris Gray. Nando si Dimac. Oh! Double dribble. Demi nakawala. Nichols for 3. Short. Booking ko. Palpal pa rin nakain. Pasok mo na. Okay. 13-42. It's a 4-point lead advantage by Rising Knights. Booking ko. Nakakuha na sa ilalim. Nice D. Ni Bulawan. Akay na wala. Tulyaw. 4-on-1 situation. Tulyaw. And one play pa. Ouch. Bulawan called for the foul. Substitution po. Ramos out. Booking ko out. Ramos in. Fajardo para kay Bulawan. Buong pagpapahingin muna. This free is brought to you by Plus International Trading. Quality candies po yan and juices and many more. Hando po yan ng Plus International Trading. Available sa select branches po in all around Qatar. Plus International Trading. Akain for 3. Wala. Again, one more time. Akain. Nice one sana. Pinasa ni kapatid. Substitution made now again. This time Chris Gray out para kay Mr. number 16. Manahoy. Akain first shot. Nope. Second throw. Jumpers ready for Rising Knights. Akain second free throw. Handog po yun ang Tigans Barbershop. The only barbershop here in Qatar which is 100% owned by Pinoy Barbershop and stepping violation. Sa blue dapat. High IQ ha. Basketball IQ ha. Again, chance again. 40-42. Chance to even the game. Demi. Tulya for 3. No. Demi naka-rebound. Palpal. Bayukot driving. Nice one by Manoel. Oh! Same goal. Touch last. Woo. The score is 40-44. Demi for the drive. Ramos driving. Wala pa rin. It's a foul. Ninipit ang bola. Okay. Second personal foul. Ninipit. One for penalty for Rising Knights. Akain. Nakuha ni Ramos sa bola. Nakuha ni Romel. Nice D by Mangol sana. Demi for 3. Kapos. Okay. Tuwang sa situation. What the last pa yun. Time up, match sublimation. Unti-unti lumalayo na po ang Rising Knights. Now 6-point lead na po ang Rising Knights over max sublimation at 4 minutes 40 seconds remaining of the second half. Third quarter action na po tayo mga kabayan. Yung Cardinals at Trojans, nasa na po kayo? Maganda-handa na kayo. Susunod kayo dito. Isasalang na namin kayo. Parang kalanto. This is your, of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Yan. PSBQ po tayo. Okay, Mr. D-Mac, Little D-Mac for the inbound. Okay. So, payukot. Payukot. Nando siya kain. Malaki. Nice one. Ang big man gumagana. Tutut, tutut. And it's a foul. Foul sa ilalim. Payukot called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Demi for the inbound. Demi.
Second team foul.
Tutuliao, Nichols to Demi. Pops up, nope. Ayun, sinipit. Malakas ang konti. Mga all. Akain. Payukot. Nagmamadali. Akain again. Akain. Sinugong bola. Hindi nakuha. Ramos nakuha ang rebound. De Leon. 2 points De Leon. Timeout called.
Timeout.
Rising Knights called for a timeout. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. The score right now is 42-48 at 3 minutes 58 seconds remaining. Nating third quarter action between Max Termination and Rising Knights. Jefferson, sir, ang score po natin ay 42-48 po. Laman po ang Rising Knights ng 6. Okay, back to the ball game. Ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo mga kabayan. Trojans, Barbershop, and Cardinals, nasa na po kayo? Third quarter na po tayo. Okay, Antonio from Bongolo. Mangol driving. Malakas. Wala pa rin. Mahado. Power move. Again, this free will be brought to you by Trojans Barbershop. The 100% only Pinoy Barbershop here in Qatar. 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Trojans Barbershop. Diyan po sa Medina Khalifa North area, Mansura area, and also Al-Sad area. And touched by Red. Same ball po tayo. 8 na po. Lamang na po ng 8 ang Rising Knights. Mahado, no good. Hindi na po, malalim masyado. And Mendoza pops up. 2 points, Mendoza. Baseball pass. Bongolo. Sayang. Kukuha ng foul sana, pero di nakuha. Bokinko. Bongolo shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement, Mike Basketball, Master Moves, Master Game. Coach Mike Basketball. Bokinko, second free throw coming up. It's pasok. Nothing but net. Matalim, matalas. Yan si Bongolo. Okay, tara. And Demi against Antonio. Pops up. No. Nakuha nito. Bongolo ang bola. Bongolo. Driving. Bongolo. Liwag.
Foul number 8. Penalty.
Penalty situation po tayo. Bongolo shooting for 2. First throw ni Bongolo. Wala. And this free is brought by Bay Jones Beauty Spa.
Second throw, Michael Pinto.
Transform beauty by degrees. That's Bay Jones Beauty Spa. Diyan po yan sa Mansura Station area in Doha. Bay Jones Beauty Spa.
Looking the ball hard.
Demi, 44-53. 9-point lead na po. Nipit. Nipit. Lost the ball. Up. Held ball situation. Kanino ball po, rep? And Mac ball po tayo. Mac ball. Next possession po is Rising Knights ball. Mac ball. Liwag.
Inbound the ball by Liwag.
Liwag to Demi. Demi driving. Demi.
Then the shoot.
Up. Touch slash by Mangoel.
10 seconds to shoot.
Bongolo, Diwag, Demi driving, pops up, no. Sayang. Ayan na naman, 2 on 3. Antonio, bayungot, no. Rebound ni Demi. Wrap around pass, and touch. Sabi ni Kelly Percy, nanunod pa. Ayun, sa live. Shoutout po, sir. Okay, sir. Sir Perez, good evening po sa'yo, sir. And shoutout po sa'yo. Ayun, si Bongolo, palpal! Napalpal! Si Bongolo, bola. Bongolo, driving. Nice one! One more time. Antonio for 3. No! No! Up! Foul. Ball number 8. Bayukot call for the foul. Same ball pa rin po tayo. Mac ball. Substitution po Nipit. No, Demi out for Nichols. Okay, Nichols, may tangan ng bola. Nichols. Mendoza, pops up. Nope. Oh, boss, balita. Ayos lang? Oh, sige. Bayukot. Pops up. Bang! Banda panalo. 45-55. 9 na. Uy! Offensive foul! Offensive foul. Inumang isiko. Sabi ni referee, inumang isiko. Baseball pass. Antonio. Ayun kay Fajardo. 2 points Fajardo. Shoutout po dyan sa ating mga 23 viewers po natin kanina. Nipit, nilabas. Mangol na naman. Rebound. Bayuko, malakas sa bote. Pukingko. Foul. Foul number 30. Bongolo court for the foul.
Warning for penalty by Knights.
This tweet is brought in by Giannis Gumitio. Available po in 2 flavors, Team Spicy, Team Original. Giannis Gumitio, mamili po kayo. To order, just visit the FB page for details. Giannis Gumitio. Bukinko, second throw, jumpers ready. It's labas. Wala pa rin. 14 seconds. 8 seconds. Mangol! Wala! Game tara, okay. Standby po tayo. Fourth and quarter na po tayo. Fourth chapter na po tayo mamaya. The score is 44-57, a 13-point lead. Being toasted na by Rising Knights. The White Balls. The White Boys. White and blue combination. Laman po ng 13. This is your, of course, this is your PSBQ Basketball League, ha? Yan, ha? Any teams want to join our league, just visit every page for details. Again, open pa po ang Class D- po namin. For inquiries, just visit every page for details. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Hurry, 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 hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry. Okay, Rising Knights ball po tayo this time around. Final match po, the Akain Brothers versus Nichols and Punita and Company. Ito na. Okay, si Mr. Mangaol. Mangaol versus inbound. Ito na, final 10 minutes po tayo. Kickball! Okay, reset po tayo ng 40 seconds shot clock. Mga oil, shoot, inbounding, mga oil, kick pass, sa ilalim, nako ni Pumita ang bola. Nako ni Chris Gray ang bola. Okay, second ball, same ball. No look pass, ha? No! Rebound! Inipit! Nichols! Pops up! Wala! Ay, sinubo ng bola! 2 points! 2 points! Ramos, wala pa rin. Okay, D-Mac. Dito D-Mac, wrapper ang pass. Walang kinuha. Walang nakuha. Uy. Mac ball. Tumida. To Nichols. To Liao and Pumida to Nichols. Nichols pops up, no driving. Floor to shot, wala. There's a play, sinubo niya bola. 2 points. Timeout again called by Max Sublimation.
Timeout, Max Sublimation.
Shot up mo, sigaw mo rito. Sigaw mo rito, tingnan. Sigaw mo rito. Okay, sir. Sir Rabi. Ang score po natin ay 44-61. Fourth quarter na po ito at 8 minutes remaining po. Lamang po ang Rising Knights ng 10-10-10-10, 15. Diba? Di yata. 17 rado, 17. Tuliao. Booking ko, pops up, noob. Pumida, step back. Bang! Yung pala, meron pa ng ganun sa kumbida eh. Kinakalaan nila yun. Sir, fourth quarter na po tayo, sir. Sir Arabi, fourth quarter na po tayo. Fourth quarter na. Oh! Down.
There's a foul.
Fourth quarter na po tayo, sir.
Number 31, Ramos.
Ramos. Called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Mga oil.
First team foul. Ikaw na ba ang foul? Nakakawal mo sa play.
Disagree.
And to shoot.
Lost the ball. Same ball. Same ball, same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball.
10 seconds to shoot.
Karina May is watching already also. Good evening po sa'yo, ma'am.
Pass to
Chris Gray! 2 points, Chris Gray. 7 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. 47-63. Booking ko, palpal! Palpal niya kain si Booking ko.
Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds shoot po, dali yun. Ramos! 2 points, Ramos! Sa wakas, nakabuslo din si Ramos. 49-63. Ay pa yan, 14 lang yan. D-Mac. Nakain, D-Mac. D-Mac driving. Pinasa kay Tita Grace. Pasok ulit. Kaya kain pala, pinasa ang bola. Tuliao. Ramos. Wala pa rin. Naku, nakain ng bola. Kakain driving. 2. Kita D-Mac. D-Mac. D-Mac driving. Crossover move. Kakasip yan. Kakain. 2 points in. Pag na-shoot yan, ewan ko na lang. De Leon. De Leon. Pops up for 3. Bang! De Leon for 3. Nakuha ni Chris Gray ang bola. 52-67. 15 ang kalamangan.
40 to shoot.
40 to shoot. D-Mac to Akain. To D-Mac. Akain malaki. Pops up. No. And no more. Back to back sublimation ng bola.
Substitution.
Mac bola. Mac. And still 52-67. Lamang po ng 15 po. Ano? And pops up. Dirion. No. Sayang. Nako ni Bulawan ng bola. Bulawan. Nakalusot. Bulawan nakalusot. D-Mac. D-Mac. Crossover move. Patikit yung bola. Okay. Demi. Pops up for 3. Bang! It's bang again. 12 na lang po kalamangan. Tignan natin kung makakahabol to. Malayo pa yan. Chris Gray. Akain. Akain again. D-Mac against Booking ko. Chris Gray. Chris Gray driving. Pops up. So, time. Pasok ang bola. What a putback ni Chris Gray. Chris Gray, dali yung pasok. Uy, 2 points na kain. Power move. Power move. Okay, 3 minutes 40 seconds remaining. 57-73, Dame again, nope. Rebound, Bibuking ko. Tama. Touch slash. Natulak ng konti, sayang. Time out now, Rising Knights. Tapos grabe. Okay, ito na. Antonio. Fourth quarter na, sir. Fourth quarter na po, sir. Fourth quarter na po. Okay, Antonio. Bayubot. Binabantay si Dimonchi Bulawan ni Jamie. Nakuha na lang sa bola. Ramos. 2 points, Ramos. Too late na, I believe so. Ito natin. Pardo, wala, making the clock. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Antonio. Bayukot, inipit, Bulawan, tunog. Nakuha na lang sa bola. Ramos, foul by Pardo. Foul number 30, Fajardo. Second personal foul. Apat pa rito. De Leon. At si Booking, si Bongo. Bongbonga. Nice one, nice 3. 11. 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining. Hop! Foul. It's a foul on De Leon. Nabitawan ng bola. Nate. Technical also, technical kay Antonio. Okay, technical free throw to be shot by De Leon. Courtesy po ng AFJ Engineering. AFJ Engineering and De Leon for nice one. Kasi may 10 lang po yan, no? Oh, 10 lang yan. 10 lang yan. Tulia for 3. Nope. 10-point lead by Rising Knights. 1 minute 53 seconds remaining. Chichirita against Nichols. Fajardo, power move.
First foul. Foul number 31, Ramos. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Ma'am Kat. Miss Kat.
First roll.
Okay, second throw ni Pardo.
Second throw by Fajardo.
Pardo, second throw. Wala. Nago si Ramos. Innocent foul by Chichirita.
Back subdivision ball.
Mock ball, foul pa. And penalty situation. Wala pa daw.
Third team foul.
13 ball pa lang ng Rising Knights.
And third personal foul.
13 ball, third personal foul. Again, Jamie. Rebound Ramos. Power move. It's a foul by Chichirita.
Ball number 6, Victorina.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Substitution. Warning for penalty. Rising Knights.
Tuliao. Demi.
Then the shoe. 2 points.
2 points, Demi. Walo lang yan. Okay, go for the pull for press. Sinasabi nila. Bayukot. Bongolo.
Then the shoe.
Bongolo. Pops up. No. Ramos. Tan. Ramos. Tuliao. 8. Tuliao. Tan. Sayang. Nakuha ni Pardo ang bola. Nice one. Nice one by the big man. Nice one by the big man, Pardo. Third personal foul again. Okay, safety na lang tayo. 8 na lang yan, sayang. Antonio, 40 to shoot. Bayukot. Bulawan. And good ball. Bongolo, power move. Malakas. Bulawan naman. Wala pa rin. 19 seconds. Two points. 10 seconds. Okay, that's it. Final score is 67-73. Congratulations, Rising Knights, for winning the game. And standby po tayo sa post-game interviews. And also, congratulations for Rising to winning the game. And this game is also brought to you by Imprenta Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. Maraming salamat po. And also, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league, just visit every page for details. And take note po, open pa po ang Class D minus po namin. Interested teams who want to join, just visit every page for details. Maraming salamat po and good evening. Ito na po ang Rising Knights po for winning the game, si Bongolo and Mr. Mga Will. Okay, sir, how do you feel the game po, sir? Pagkatapos ng game manalo po, lumaman po sila 11 pero alam po na inibawi nyo ito.
Sipag lang sa aming pupunan. Kailangan namin maangat sa kasi pinakamamaba ang gusto.
Mga Will, mga po.
Pares sipag lang din talaga pagka sa depensa lang talaga.
Okay.
Defense lang talaga.
And ngayon po, sir, ay bilis na tapos ito, no? Sa laglagan po, ano po maasahan po namin sa Rising Knights po? Sir, sama po kayo.
Kailangan na namin, di ba?
Yan, big deal na po tayo, yan.
Kailangan sa isa't isa.
Ha?
Kailangan.
Maintain pa rin sa depensa talaga.
The big three. And okay, Akain, yes. Si Kuya Akain, yan. Ano po? Depensa lang po, sir. Compress po yan, malaki kasi kayo. Pero ano sir, masahan sir, sa laglagang portion po sino sir, ano may makikita namin sa Rising Knights? Yan, sipag po. Okay.
Para lang sa isa't isa.
Okay. Wait po, maraming salamat po and congratulations to winning the game. Okay. Family members, shoutout dyan. Mga loved ones po, sumama ka na rin dito, boss.
Shoutout sa
Yan.
taga Mindanao, Pampanga del Sur.
Saan po, sir?
Pampanga del Sur.
Ba, mga lubrigat. Okay. Okay, sir. Saan, sir? Cagayan Valley. Okay, and
South Cotabato, Chris family.
okay, and also, of course, si Little D-Max, sir. Ano, wait, katay mo na. Ito yung ano. Tagin mo naman yung boss. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Sir, ano po masabi sir, bukang nasa ano kayo, kondisyon kayo mga asa niyo, tsaka yung mga lumilipad na tira niyo
Yung mga kampi ko, tsaka nag-try sa kamay, kaya nakuha namin panalo.
Okay now, ano po maasahan po namin kay Di Makulangan sa susunod po na laro ninyo? For sure kasi ano ito, lagragan na ito, tiyak. Malaki na katangin dito para maka-advance po kayo.
Kailangan mag-ensayo kami lahat para makuha namin ang panalo. Kunting sipag pa sa depensa.
Okay, and also of course, okay. Shoutout yung boss. Loved ones, girlfriend, or
Sa mga tiga-lipa Batangas.
oh, Lipa Batangas, kay Vilma Santos.
Makulangan family.
Okay, wait po, maraming po and congratulations po. Wait, 3, 2, 1.